How to change the back wheel. First, you disconnect the plug between the motor and the bike. Then you take off the screw with the wrench. Take the other side as well. Then we use socket spanner to take off some screws on this side. Then take one screw off on the other side. Pull this part back to pull the wheel out of the bike. For the installation, you put the wheel through the chain. Then you put the speed cassette onto the chain. Put the wheel back in the original place. Put the screw back and tighten it. Screw back the screw to tighten this component and its part altogether. Do the same thing to another screw. Then you put the lock nut back in. Then we install the kickstand. Remember to install it to the right direction. Put back the screw. Connect back the plug. We find this part, put the coil back. Let the wire go through this hole. Put the screw which we first took off back. At last, we put back the fender. The process is complete.